Well, the winding down process has already begun tonight. The city announced Hawaii Medical Center's East and West hospitals are no longer accepting ambulances as the hospitals prepare to shut down. The announcement follows months of negotiations which ultimately fell through. KITV4's Shane Enright joining us now with more on the closures. So, Shane, what happened? It looked like they had a chance at a deal.
And Laura, it appeared the deal was moving forward. But this morning, HMC informed a federal judge the hospitals no longer have a buyer and it will shut down. 9 days before Christmas, nearly 1,000 workers employed at the Hawaii Medical Center West and East hospitals are losing their jobs.
I'm starting to cry now. So I just recently graduated and I'm a little sad. It's just I like this location.
Last month, the California company Prime Healthcare Services began financing the struggling hospitals, along with offering $25 million for the Eva and Laliha campuses. But the offer fell about $15 million short from what is owed HMC's biggest creditor, St. Francis Healthcare System of Hawaii. In bankruptcy court today, both sides said they could not agree on a sale price. The Eva Hospital's closure results in the loss of medical services for a growing population on Oahu's leeward side.
This is the only hospital that's on the west side. What's going to happen to all the folks down in Waianae? They can't drive to Palimomi. That's kind of ridiculous. What about the ambulance?
We're going to still continue to come here, but we'll no longer have the resources of a hospital-type care.
The city says ensuring public safety remains priority, and it is moving into emergency mode, adding ambulances to the west.
Hawaii Medical Center West gets 18 ambulances a day. It's the second busiest ER in the state with respect to ambulance arrivals.
At Laliha, the state's only transplant center will also shut down as a result of the closures. As employees cope with today's outcome, they question how the surrounding hospitals will accommodate the additional patients.
This site is developing so quickly, and I don't know how the other locations nearby can hold up the load that we have here.
Hawaii Medical Center says it expects to close down completely within the next 4 weeks. The city wants to assure the public ambulances are still responding to 911 calls, and paramedics will transport patients to the closest hospitals. Laura.
So sad. All right. Thanks, Shane. Well, both the Hawaii Medical Center and St. Francis Healthcare System of Hawaii released statements this afternoon. The CEO of Hawaii Medical Center said, "We are devastated by this outcome and its impact on patients, families, communities, and most notably our employees who have been loyal and supportive throughout this challenging process." And this from the CEO of St. Francis Healthcare System of Hawaii: "We want to make sure the safety and well-being of their patients remain priorities in the wind-down process. St. Francis Healthcare System of Hawaii has offered to help Hawaii Medical Center's wind-down efforts."